with your left hand and then push. Push,
To the
push.
end.
Yeah. Push, 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 push. Perfect. Back. Good.
Second one to the end.
Yeah. Perfect. Back. Good. Then please take a seat, Alice. Put your bottle here to fix it. Good job.
In the beginning, no.
Sorry, we shall start with that one. With
The necklace.
Necklace first.
Yeah. So necklace comes on top of that, and you shall put it half over the foil. Half on the top, here. Good. Start here. Then put that side first. Good. The other side, then on top. Perfect. Good. Now the label, front label. Here it is. My recommendation is to start just on top of those dots. Exactly, just on top. Just on top. We'll start with the bottom. That's what I say. Start on top, because once it's sticked, it's really stick very strong. So start here. Draw a middle line. Draw a middle line first. Good. And then progressively stick on the sides. Good. Then turn the bottle.
And now you're
Try to center it. It's not centered. You have to feel the label. If your fingers are roughly the same size, this is, yeah, I think this is centered. Good. Same purpose with the back label. Start with the bottom, draw a middle line, and then stick the sides. Start with the bottom. Yeah. Then draw a middle line. Perfect. And then on the sides. Good.
Bravo.
Wait, there's a name. Come. Alice. Alice.
Yeah. Okay.
Happy?
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.